QUAT²RO Production is an advanced software solution designed to enhance and streamline your manufacturing processes by integrating seamlessly with your existing ERP system. QUAT²RO Production stands out for its integration capabilities. This integration allows production orders to be directly initiated from QUAT²RO Production using the existing order data integrated from your ERP system. This ensures a smooth and automated transition from order release to production, avoiding manual steps and entry errors and enhancing the overall speed of your operations. Bidirectional communication between your machines and QUAT²RO Production ensures data exchange, granting that your production environment adapts quickly to any changes, whether they originate on the shop floor or within the ERP system. As production progresses, all relevant data is seamlessly fed back into your ERP system via QUAT²RO Production to also support your quality management. Transform your manufacturing process with QUAT²RO Production.